Motion titles are essential to our video production. Learning to create them efficiently gives you a significant advantage. Let's explore the After Effects version of these titles. To find them, navigate to After Effects templates and select the titles category. You can quickly preview options by hovering over them until you find one you like. With just a click of the download button, you'll have the template on your computer in seconds. Inside After Effects, you'll find many motion designs. Let's modify one. To change text, simply double-click on the text layer and type what you want. You can do this for all text layers without affecting the animation. To change colors, go to the control panel and use the color controllers. Now let's explore more features. I'll create a new composition called Main Comp. I'll drag our modified motion title into this comp. By adjusting the in and out points of the layer, you can change how long it appears without affecting the animation. You can also combine multiple titles by dragging in another one. To make this more interesting, I'll add a transition from our library. I'll return to candymustache.com, select transitions, and then the resolution you are working on. Quickly preview a few options and download the ones you like. Remember, you have unlimited downloads. After importing the new transition project into After Effects, I'll choose a transition I like and add it to the composition. I'll position the marker at the cut point and enable continuously rasterize. To replace a transition, hold Alt while dragging a new one on top of the old one. We can improve this composition further. I'll import a clip, disable the shy feature, and place the footage above the background. Then I can adjust the colors again. That's it. In just 4 minutes, we've created a cool composition. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section.